Now I'm going to tell about the comparison between the role and prestige of Speaker of UK and USA. We all know that who is the Speaker, nothing to more that he is the main presiding officer of that lower house, that is the popular house of the legislature, but the nomenclature is different in different countries. But here that in case of UK and in case of USA, he is the speaker meaning that presiding officer of the lower house, and but the legislature is different in nomenclature. UK it is known as Parliament, and the upper house is House of Lords, and the lower house is the House of Representatives. House of Commons. And in case of USA, it is the name of the legislature is Congress. Upper house is Senate, and lower house is House of Representatives, which is a popular house. And both of the cases means House of Commons and House of Representatives. Both in cases of that, the main presiding officer is called as Speaker. There are several similarities regarding the role, that is the function. Actually that function actually differs, not much different from each other. They are all means both of the cases speakers are actually maintaining the session, then maintaining the privileges, the rights of the members, then deciding on that which is certifying that case, that which is money bill or not, then what type of bill should be introduced, who will be introducing, what kind of topic should be discussed. Then all these things are actually same, the functions are same in both of the cases, that is UK and USA, but the difference mainly comes on the issue of the role, that is how they are acting. Because in USA the speaker is very much associated or having the affection with the political party from which he belongs. But in case of USA, I already told you that he is not a party member after being elected as speaker. So he elected as a political party member, but after the election of the post that he is becoming the speaker, after that the all political party affinity actually he deletes. Means it is a tradition of Great Britain to make the post very neutral, to get the opinion from the opposition, or that means they wanted to know what oppositions are having in their own mind. So, and they are also very much fond of democracy, means the voice from the opponent side. So that is also very valuable to them. So that is why they wanted to make the position very neutral. And it is a proverbs of their means in Great Britain that one speaker always a speaker. So once he become a speaker, then lifelong he can be in that post to maintain that kind of legacy of value, means political party biaslessness and neutrality. But in case of USA, it is not there. He always a new speaker is being elected after each election, and the position tenure is almost 5 years, and then again the new speaker come when the majority is differs. So this is the thing. So main, you have to remember that functions may be the same, but the role is not the same, and the prestige is also not the same. As a person is value neutral, means politically neutral, maintaining the balance between opposition and the government, then the party affinity is not there. So much more prestige can be enjoyed by a person who is not a political member, not at all. And but in USA, the prestige is not that so much, because he is also he is very much belong to that political party which actually he belongs, and also maintaining the privileges more to that party rather than the other party. So this is here is the main difference. And you go through the book, I always tell about the Bengali book, that is Aradhi Kumar Mahapatra. Here it is written in a very good format, so you can go through that and you will get the note out of that. And in case of English medium student, I would refer the book, that is Bishnu Bhagwan and Vidya Bhushan on the constitution of the country. On maybe the constitutions probably. So you go through the name, you will get that book in online also. You can purchase through online, and it is now it all also available. So you can go through the net also, Google search and JSTOR and Wikipedia. So thank you for watching. More if you want to know, just make me the comment in the comment section, or you can call me anytime but before 11 p.m. at the night. Okay, thank you.